Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see how to use the solver function in Excel to solve for specific problems. So for example, here today I've created a very simple example where my goal is to maximize the profit given that it is the difference between revenue and cost. As you can see, there is a subtraction here, and we have only one condition: that cost must be greater or equal to 50. Okay, so in order to use the solver, you need to go into the data tab and you will find it here, okay, at the top right. If you don't have it, you can add it by right clicking on the ribbon and then customize the ribbon, and you need to find here between the commands for it and just add it. Okay, so now let's see how to use the solver. If we open the solver here, you see that the first parameter that we need to set is the objective. So the objective is what we want to achieve. In this case, I will say our objective is to maximize the profit. So we select just our result, in this case the 30, because it's the difference between revenue and cost, and is settled as a formula. Okay, perfect. Then we need to set the objective to a goal. In this case, our objective is to maximize the profit. Okay, so we left max, and then we can say to Excel by changing which variable says. So we want to maximize it, and by changing which variable. In our case, we want to change the cost. Okay, so we want to understand how much we should have the cost in order to maximize the profit. So we press enter, and then as you can see, we can also specify specific constraints under which our equation should be subject to. So we can add also our condition in this case, and our condition is that the cost, so we just select the 70 in this case, must be greater or equal to 50. We can for sure also create a cell reference, so in this case to the 50 that we have here, so that we can change it and the equation will be automatically updated. In this case, I just press OK, and as you can see, I've added in my solver my constraint. Okay, now we are ready to solve the problem just by clicking on solve, and as you can see, the solver has automatically updated our data. So as you see, now the cost is set to equal to 50, because 50, given the condition, is the number that is maximizing our profit. Okay, perfect. We can also decide to keep the solver solution when we press OK, or to restore original values. So if we click on restore original values, once we press OK, all the data will go back to the original. Otherwise, we will keep the solution that is 50. So restore original values, OK, and as you can see, we went back to the original result. So I hope this video was useful, and in case, let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you very much.